Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Apple AI features or ChatGPT on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, go to Play Store because we're going to install ChatGPT. It's going to be pretty simple installing ChatGPT on your iPhone. Now, next up, how to properly utilize this one. I want to make sure first you go to Shortcuts, click Add Shortcuts right there, and basically in this one, you can just type in here ChatGPT. As you can see right there, you can voice mode start conversation or ask conversation. I'm gonna add voice mode right there. Click on done and be good with that one. Next up, I'm just gonna go on my home screen or lock screen right there. Let me just go back here, perfectly right here. All right. And now from here, I'm just gonna hover this mouse right there. Click on customize. Go for lock screen because we're gonna add a widget right now. So for this one, I can just type in here, look for the one that says Chat GPT moving forward. I can just simply drag this one perfectly right there, and I have successfully added ChatGPT on my home screen. It's gonna be easy as that. So moving forward right now, I'm gonna have ChatGPT moving forward. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.